Welcome to this demonstration video of Resource Central, the meeting room booking tool for Microsoft Outlook, Office 365, and Exchange. In this video, we're going to look at how the reception accesses the visitor list and can manipulate other people's bookings via the Resource Central backend. We're now going to log in as our reception. Now, reception has, in our case, some very unique tools that are very helpful. The first of which is going to be the visitors option. When we come into visitors, what we see now is a chronological overview of all of the different visitors who are coming to our location. We can see their arrival time, we can see what company it is and names, etc. Also showing which room is their meeting happening in, who is the organizer. And here it's very simple for the reception to check people in and out. So if these two guests arrived a little bit late for their meeting, but they just showed up, we can check them in. And here we can also send an email automatically to the organizer. So we'll simply click on this colored icon, which is showing that they're expected, and they will then be checked in here at the bottom of the list so we can see who is in our building and what activities are they here for. If we also wanted to print out a name badge for these people, we could do so simply by clicking into their visitor details. And here we can take a picture of the person using a webcam. We could scan an image if we wanted to incorporate that into the badge. We can see all of the details, and we can see a preview of the badges that we can print out. So here is an example of a badge where we can have an image of the person, either from a webcam or a scan. We could also completely change the layout of this badge so that you have your logo and all of your company colors. But here we're just basically showing all of the visitor information that has been input into Resource Central so that you can automatically print this out when visitors arrive. Here at the visitor list, we can import large lists of visitors. We can check visitors in and out, as we've shown. We can also print all name badges with a simple click of a button. And here we can also say that some of our visitors are now leaving the building. And we can check them out simply by clicking again on this colored icon. Another important tool that we've given access to our reception is called the Booking Manager. And this Booking Manager is a super user tool allowing for those users to make changes to somebody else's meeting. This could be assigned to any service provider you want to, but the point of it is that in case there's a meeting that is going too long, that you can then, instead of kicking the people out of that very important meeting, you can make changes to the surrounding meetings. And this can be done simply by dragging and dropping. So for instance, we could say that our meeting here in London room B1 needs to be pushed ahead for some reason. This can simply be moved to another time or another room. And then once we click on yes to proceed with this meeting change, then everything is updated. The meeting room calendar is updated. The organizer has received an email saying that his meeting has been moved and why, as well as all of the attendees are now having an update where their meeting is taking place. Thanks for viewing this quick demonstration of Resource Central's back end, where service providers are able to maintain their orders and reports, as well as the administrator being able to make changes to the application. Please contact us at www.add-on.com to learn more about Resource Central, the room booking tool for Microsoft Outlook, Exchange, and Office 365.